Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 10th April 2025. Political news. India approves purchase of 26 Rafale marine fighter jets. The Indian government has sanctioned a significant defense acquisition, approving the purchase of 26 Rafale marine fighter aircraft from France. Valued at over 63,000 crore rupees, approximately $7 billion, this deal aims to enhance India's naval capabilities amid escalating regional security concerns. Official confirmation from the Indian Defence Ministry is pending. Finance Minister emphasizes need for economic support. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman highlighted the necessity for continued support from both the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and the government to bolster the economy, which has been impacted by US trade tariffs. She commended the RBI's recent 25 basis point interest rate cut to 6.00% as a positive measure to stimulate growth amid global uncertainties. Sports news. Mitch Marsh's stellar performance in IPL. Australian cricketer Mitch Marsh has made a remarkable comeback in the 2025 Indian Premier League (IPL) season with the Lucknow Super Giants. Overcoming previous injuries and performance challenges, Marsh has amassed 267 runs in 5 innings, including 4 50s and a top score of 81. His resurgence has reignited discussions about his potential inclusion in Australia's national teams. India to host 2025 Para Athletics World Championships. New Delhi is set to host the 2025 Para Athletics World Championships at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium from 26 September to 5 October. This marks the first time India will host a major global para-sport event, with over 1,000 athletes from more than 100 countries expected to participate. The event is seen as a significant step towards promoting inclusivity and strengthening India's bid to host future global sporting events, including the 2036 Olympics. Sports Ministry reduces India's contingent for Asian Winter Games. The Sports Ministry has reduced the number of Indian athletes participating in the 2025 Asian Winter Games from 1976 to 41, citing strict ranking criteria. Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha has appealed for reconsideration, emphasizing the importance of broader participation to promote winter sports in India. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.